Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we consider the best clothes dryer gas energy efficient solution on the market, the Ventifan Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. Whether you're in a small apartment, a space without exterior vent access, or just looking to increase the efficiency and safety of your dryer, this kit might just be your next must-have home upgrade. Let's start with the basics. The Ventifan Dryer Vent Kit is a compact and cleverly designed solution built for electric clothes dryers. The standout feature here is its triple-layer filtration system. At the heart of it, you've got a stainless steel pre-filter screen that's designed to catch large debris, lint, pet hair, and dust before it has a chance to escape into your room. Behind that is a polyester filter that captures the finer particles, and it comes with 4 replacement filters, giving you extended usability right out of the box. The build quality is impressive. The vent box itself is a sturdy beige unit that you can mount either on a wall or directly onto your dryer. It's flexible depending on your space constraints. There's also a vent hose included, and it's best to use the official Ventifan hose for optimal performance and fit. Now here's something clever. There's a safety vent flap built into the design. This little feature is a lifesaver, literally. If you ever forget to clean the lint screen or replace the polyester filter, the flap automatically opens up, preventing overheating and reducing fire risk. That's an extra layer of protection that many competing models simply don't offer. Cleaning and maintenance are also super intuitive. You can easily pop open the water tank and the front door of the unit. From there, you can remove and clean the stainless steel screen, collect any built-up lint or hair, and either clean or replace the polyester filter. Keeping this unit clean ensures your dryer runs efficiently and minimizes humidity buildup in your laundry area. Speaking of humidity, yes, this is an indoor vent, which means you will get some moisture released into the room during dryer operation. But Ventifan accounted for that. The box includes a water reservoir to help collect some of that evaporated moisture. They also recommend either opening a window while the dryer is running or using a dehumidifier to manage excess moisture. It's a fair trade-off when you consider the energy efficiency and flexibility this kit offers. Installation is a breeze. No need for a handyman. You can install it in less than 20 minutes with basic tools. The instructions are clear and straightforward, making it beginner-friendly for first-time DIYers. All in all, the Ventifan Indoor Dryer Vent Kit offers a reliable, safe, and efficient way to vent your electric dryer indoors. With thoughtful features like multi-layer filtration, a built-in safety flap, and easy maintenance access, this unit is an excellent investment for those looking to save energy and protect their living environment. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in grabbing this dryer vent kit, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakdown of the best products on the market. See you in the next one.